Yeah, hello, amazing customers. I welcome you to Steven Stone Design. So, this be natural stone cladding for your house decoration. And we have already finished with the inside job, so we are here in outside here. You know, yeah. So I'm here to share the update with you and share a one problem with you. You know, yeah. So this customer have involved a stone layer before to lay these flat stones here. Yeah, but it seems like after in the installation the stone didn't go well on his willing because he no dey like am. And he found out our job online. He see like no, and our job looks so nice and beautiful. Yeah, so he involve us to do the main house for him because he don't want to use the same people that do the flat stone for his main house. Yeah, so I'm heading to that place. you know, because of the job that they are doing on the face wall, it looks so boring. So everybody is complaining about this job here, because the reason be say they have laid the stones bigger, whereby like you see like a plenty more mortar. Just say something. Yeah. Just say something. Yeah, so the customer don't want to involve them on their main building for a natural stone cladding. So that viewer he call us, and I came and see and I talked to him. So no, they got their work. They are not a rare stone layer. So that viewer he called me so that I'll come and design the front view of the house for him, so that I'll beautify his house with a natural stone cladding. So just look at the house beauty. Just look at how we take an at times and design this beautiful place. Yeah. So sometimes when you want to involve a stone layer, just ask the person to send you some of the stone picture the person have, the job that the person done already. So when you are satisfied with the way before you let the person start a job for you. So even if the person starts, just like see the beginning, and make sure that you are going for what you want exactly. Because here the customer are using money to buy the stone material that cost, and the person buy the cement, and the installation didn't go as well. Yeah. So sometimes it's not every person that is a stone layer. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Mesaba ba pillars na FL. Ba juma na o number ya no o huni se. Okay. Okay.
Professional work na na
Okay.
adwuma we say ne ya mortar no issue
Okay.
so e be ti ku bo no kama e be sisi ani unhu mortar joint say kakraka say da bi we adwuma we say me aka aha o mu nyina me rest o mu nyina
Oh, did
master part
But then I just juma when I juma pa.
we dey tell you adwuma pa ne say on say adwuma we na no na different customers
Okay.
and wo ye na o ye ni ya no bi hu a ojo number na
Okay.
ya fro na so bi bia ma ba we ye shefu bo na adwuma no be sisi ani kama unhu mortar kakraka say wo ane wo man sam prase ama mortar na ye bo no so
Okay.
nti unhu bo no kala ni ntu ane bo no kala no sa ma yi e bo no bright enye hwe mortar no kwa na be hu
Okay.
enye fe enye professional work
Okay.
yeah
Okay. But when no, but oji de say bia scan na bia customer no twa no nti na mo juma say o.
master patch we adwuma no kwaji sɛ sika no nyɛ kɔ sɛ wotumi yɛ wo deɛ best sɛdeɛ
Okay.
ɛbɛyɛ a wobɛnya adwuma foforɔ asa yɛ
Okay.
ɛnyɛ sɛ sika no nyɛ nti na wobɛyɛ ma mmɔta kakraka daabi ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ no kama a ma nipa no ho a n'ani gye
Okay.
Yeah.
But the part we we know we stone like and
Yɛyɛ ne kuro no yɛ a ɔmo a ɔmofɔ so no bi a ɔpɛ biribi na adi kɛkɛ
okay.
ɛna wabɛyɛ sɛ adwuma wei
Okay.
ɛbɛhu ne ntɛm kora nka yɛboɔ ne pam ɔ
And easy. But also be also pay be dainty. Yeah. Okay, what the boy Jumano. Is it that what are they talking no? So that thing they hear power, you see that thing. But brother, ever give you go speak English for inside. But it look nice. So. But just one, but if I just put the buy one can go fit cover for this 4 pillars or don't fit cover. But I bet you cover and Jimmy cover. Okay. But true, the bet you cover. But no, they be when but it didn't count. It didn't count Tabias.
wei na ɔsɛ mpo akyiri hɔ baeɛ nneɛma yɛ ne yɛ den yam
Ose,
na ɔsɛ mpo akyiri hɔ nka wo
oh, that be Miss because they children too.
wɔka yɛ yɛfɔ so na ana ɔsɛ ɔsɛ ɔbɛ ɔbɛyɛ biribi a yɛnyɛ no
Eh. But when someone to back now, a bit of fatigue, you know. Sure.